Electric vehicles are friendly to the environment, which is why there is such a strong incentive to switch to them. When it comes to military equipment, however, environmental concerns simply do not exist. Nonetheless, several countries are considering developing electric combat vehicles. This includes Elon's country, as he is the one who is going to make it. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Elon Musk Evolution, where we tell you all the latest news about Elon Musk and his multi-billion-dollar companies. In today's video, we are going to tell you about Elon's Cybertruck, which is not just a truck anymore. It could be a boat, now a tank, and who knows what's next. Elon wants his company name everywhere, starting from daily traffic to the oceans, and now the battlefield. A small jump, huh? In a recent Automotive News Daily Drive podcast, Elon Musk made it public. I just wanted to make a futuristic battle tank, something that looks like it came out of Blade Runner or Aliens or something like that. What do you mean, customer research? Musk further elaborated. He just made a car he thought was awesome and looked super weird. The body panels are bulletproof against a handgun, so it'll probably come in handy in the apocalypse. LOL, he further praised his CT. The Cybertruck is the truck you want in the apocalypse. We want to be the industry leader in post-apocalyptic technology. Elon didn't stop there. He explained its amazing design. The Cybertruck's 30x cold-rolled stainless steel body is bulletproof against a 9mm handgun, according to Tesla. Elon Musk demonstrated this last year during his presentation at the Cybertruck launch event. Cybertruck is a perfect fit for typical apocalyptic threats thanks to its body armor and the infamous armored glass. Adding into his luck, the military has been talking about incorporating electric vehicles into their fleet. And with the Tesla Cybertruck being described as an armored personnel carrier from the future, a rendering artist decided to see what an electric Cybertruck would look like as an electric joint light tactical vehicle. As we said, the military is working on a plan to use electric vehicles for remote missions, citing Tesla as an example of larger EVs' viability. Several people speculated that the military could use the Cybertruck as a platform to build electric military vehicles, citing Tesla CEO Elon Musk's description of the Cybertruck as an armored personnel carrier from the future. It'd be similar to the Hummer, which started out as a military vehicle before being converted into a commercial vehicle. The Cybertruck, on the other hand, has several advantages that most commercial vehicles lack, including an exoskeleton made of ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, as Elon mentioned. It could also have a solar power feature, which Tesla is planning to include in the Cybertruck. An optional solar cell system on the top of the electric pickup truck, according to Tesla, will generate about 15 miles of electricity per day. Well, the military should seriously consider going electric. Their missions could become self-sufficient in terms of energy by deploying batteries and solar panels. Generators and a fuel supply chain aren't required. You can drop a Tesla Megapack or a few power packs with deployable solar panels, which Tesla and partners are already doing in Australia. And you'll have a self-sustaining base in terms of electricity. You can become completely energy independent by adding a few electric vehicles on top of it, whether it's done with a Tesla Cybertruck or not. I think it's a cool concept, as Elon is seriously considering it. The Cybertruck looks almost confrontational, with its brutalist polygonal styling and raw finish, as if it's begging you to go ahead and take your best shot, as long as the caliber is under 9mm. The premium tri-motor Cybertruck will have an estimated output of 800 horsepower and 1,000 pound-feet of torque when the plaid mode is activated. Plenty of power to propel the hefty metal box to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds and tow up to 14,000 pounds. Could you really turn the powerful electric pickup into a serviceable light tactical vehicle? It's great for dropping jaws when the light turns green and towing a couple of four-wheelers. But could you really turn it into a serviceable light tactical vehicle? Crazy. Maybe the Cybertruck was not originally designed for just being a truck. It was born a tank. The Cybertruck's rugged construction and powerful electric powertrain make it a good foundation for a high-mobility, armored-up vehicle. And the truck's low thermal signature and quiet electric motor make it well-suited for reconnaissance missions, where stealth, mobility, and resilience are important. You want a truck that is really tough, not fake tough. Tesla founder Elon Musk famously said, "So we're looking for a truck with defensive and offensive capabilities that can be used in a variety of conflict scenarios." Let's build a fictitious tactical Cybertruck and evaluate some upgrades that would make Elon's electric pickup truck more suitable for today's battlefield. Elon also teased his futuristic battle tank theme recently on Twitter when he hinted at a Cybertruck option package. Mark Burton was asked, the founder and CEO of armament, one of the most well-known designers and manufacturers of armored vehicles in the United States, what he thought of the Cybertruck. First off, I think we're really excited about the Cybertruck, and I think any level of protection is better than no protection. So what I would classify the Cybertruck at is low handgun protection. As far as the classes and the levels and everything, it's very basic. With that said, let's upgrade it a bit so that it could withstand high-powered rifle rounds, IED blasts, and grenades. So there are a lot of choices, because some of these Chevy Suburbans or Range Rovers that we're armoring, the 0 to 60 on some of those is going to be upwards of 5 to 6 to 7+ seconds. Being able to quickly get out of a situation giving electric vehicles a huge advantage. We can give it a James Bond concept too. To begin, let's take advantage of the Cybertruck's tri-motor 3,500-pound payload capacity and adjustable air suspension to add some extra mass, namely in the form of a vehicular armor upgrade kit similar to the U.S. Army Research Laboratory's Armor Survivability Kit. Small arms, explosive fragments, and rocket-propelled grenades may be protected by the additional protective armor plating, bulletproof glass, and ballistic windshield. Another question is whether they would withstand Tesla's chief designer Franz von Holzhausen's famous steel ball. The Cybertruck's unibody exoskeleton and self-leveling suspension could easily accommodate the armor kit's additional 1,300 pounds or 590 kilograms. So, here we have a monstrous-looking electric battle tank. Whether the world is ending or not, the Cybertruck is a great fit for the military needs. We're not sure whether governments all over the world want to replace their gasoline-powered military vehicles. If they were, however, something like this might work. Well, not only Tesla is in this race. FFG, a Flansburg-based armament company, has developed a 35-ton tank with a 13-person crew that can approach as quietly as a Toyota hybrid. Genesis, a prototype hybrid-drive 8-wheel tank that is purely electric, is the name of the technology. The Genesis has a silent mode thanks to the electric drive, which FFG claims will be ready for deployment in about 2 years. The estimated electrical output is 1,368 kilowatts. A 200 kilowatt 6-cylinder diesel engine from the Duez company recharges the batteries as needed. In addition, unlike in a drive-by-wire aircraft system, the driver does not steer mechanically, but rather via electrical connections. At 40 kilometers an hour, the range with pure electric drive is about 150 kilometers. According to FFG, the range of the diesel-electric drive at 60 kilometers an hour is around 600 kilometers. So now the question arises, why the military world is switching toward electric-based vehicles? Well, there could be many reasons, such as there are fewer issues with the supply chain. When on the move, a single U.S. Army Armor Division can consume up to 2 million liters of fuel per day. That's a lot of fuel to transport to military bases, many of which are only temporary in nature. It's a huge logistical challenge, especially because supply caravans are a tempting target for the enemies. And also, modernization will be easier. The modular design, as previously mentioned, would make it easier to repair and update military vehicles. A battery block would be replaced with a newer model, and the motors would be upgraded as well. This is already possible in ICE vehicles, but electric powertrains would make it even easier. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts? Tell us in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.